It's really, really sad when you see stuff like this. Casualties of the Rolling Acres demolition. I wonder what would happen if we swung this thing a little bit. I bet nobody's ever done that before. Oh, here's the office again. This is really in bad shape. It's looking worse every time I come in here. I think somebody did some cleaning in here. Doesn't look as bad as it was. Oh yeah, somebody cleaned it up. Here's a box of glass. Talk about a freak zone. I don't know. I gotta get out of here. You know what? Somebody could take and cut sections out of this wall here and then frame it, you know? And probably sell it at some French gallery for, you know, $3.2 million. Like this one right here. I bet this would sell for 3.6. This one here without quite as much detail, that would probably be a measly 900,000. Now this one, that would bring a lot of money. I can't even, my brain hurts to think how much money I'm passing up here by not, you know, somehow saving this wall. Oh, this one's beautiful. I like to have that one above my fireplace. So here's a power pack room. And there's a really nice box, Putter electrical signal box. This, as I think we mentioned before, is the communication center. There's a few breaker boxes. And I don't know. I just don't know. There's a nice firebox. There's a big roof leak problem here. And nobody seems to be fixing it. And so consequently, the floor is like a big ice cube here. Just like my face. I mean, my face is so frozen I could barely talk. Yeah, so this is the printer thing. And I think you guys have seen this all before here, right? Here's the room with all the stores, sales analysis, and all that stuff. We are going to come to this store here. It's like a wind tunnel in here. Every store has like a ton of air blown through it because the wall's busted out on the other side. Alright, so Who knows what this was? I don't know. No clue. But they did have gifts. And they did do gift wrap over here on this side. But they're not doing a very good job today. And here's a long skinny store. This was a restaurant, I believe. Look at those big old mirrors, man. Those are some big honking mirrors. Too bad they're going to get smashed. And here's a big old plate glass that somebody missed. Yeah, okay. Well, just freeze frame, okay? Alright, so there we are. And here's the panel. Panel B. Oh, Sbarro. Well, isn't that something? No wonder they went out of business. Look at this. Alright, so this is Sbarro, huh? That's really weird. I may have to stop this video because my fingers are like numb. I can't feel anything. This is Mr. Sbarro here. He's the owner. I wonder what would happen if I pulled that. Yeah, this has a foundation problem. Look at that. This here was a stereo shop. And pretty freaky. Oh, look at that. And there's a business over there, but there's no way to get to it. It's no wonder they're out of business. The good thing is the stairs are still here. This escalator's still here. Maybe they'll leave these guys alone. What do you think? Sure. All right. Well, in case there's a fire, here's where your fire alarms. Yeah, you pull that, and fire truck comes out immediately. But we're back on a Save the Mall campaign. Headquarters again. We're going to set up right here. And we have a new president. Jim Beam had to step down, but we'll fill you in on those details later. We need to get moving here. We'll try to pick up where we left off this store. Now you guys remember this one. This is the Macy's store. Needs vacuumed air fresheners. Mr. Buzzy's back there. Man, it's windy in here. Now here's Sbarro's. Like if you're hungry for fresh pizza or pasta, this is where you want to come. There's how you restart the soda system. And it's a really nice day today. I don't know what I'm doing this. I mean, I could be out doing something else. So Sbarro's kind of, it's not as, not the friendly atmosphere that it used to be. So you may be asking yourself, wow, is it worth saving? Well, yeah, I think it is. Because look, these tables are perfect. I mean, they're good. Look how solid that is. Table number 27. Table 48. Solid. So, nothing really needs done here. other than dust them off, vacuum the floor, put the wall back in. Okay, so that's Sbarro. I got a lot of requests on that one. Mary Jane from Indianapolis, Bill Fritz from Dallas, Arnold Marshmallow Head from Toronto. So I hope you guys, hope that answered your question there. This is a really interesting hallway. If you want to see any Rolling Acres documentation, here's where you do it. If you want to find out about Sbarro's plumbing plan, that's it. There's a pile of Akron police reports, Rolling Acres arrests, tenant lawsuits, other lawsuits. You know, running them all is kind of a hard business. This is a bright area room. I don't think we'd have to do anything to this one. Maybe set, I mean, it has a desk over here already. Maybe set that up there. Put some phones or something on there, but yeah, this one would be great, just as is. Here's that nice little bank. Remember that? Yeah, it needs dusted, but this store's good to go, pretty much as is. Oh, maybe put a guardrail there at the right here. And maybe a staircase so people can get out of the store. Okay, so that concludes our Save the Mall review and assessment. And here's how you get in and out of this place. You gotta crawl over this pile of garbage, you know. It's really not too easy, but you know, you just gotta do it. And then this lock, it's not really a lock. Watch this. Whoa. See, nobody's out there, everything's cool. I put the door back so it looks like nothing's been touched. Oh yeah, look at that. So, here we go, folks. I gotta put the side panel back on my bike. Thanks for tuning in to the fabulous Rolling Acres Mall report for April something 2017. I gotta go now.